Hello, my jump list entries. I want to talk today really quickly about the jump list in Helix. Now, what is the jump list? The jump list you can think of as kind of like browser history when you open a browser and you click through some links, and then you can go backwards, and you can go forwards, you can go backwards, go to another set of links, keep going back, so on and so forth. But it actually stores it in memory, and it's a really useful tool when you're using things like jump to definition and all those kinds of like LSP navigation features. So we're going to go through a couple of them right now. So first things first, I'm going to find all of the commands that have to do with the jump list, because what you'll find is there's actually only 4 of them. We can go forward, we can go backward, we can open the picker, and we can save a current selection to the jump list. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to show an example of a jump list entry. So I've opened up this file, and we're going to jump to definition to this thing called Material Lab. Now, if I do space J, you can see that our previous entry is main.dart. So we can do that. We can go back to that. Now we can also go forward to where we were previously. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a shortcut here. So I can do Control O to go back and Control I to go forward. I think this is the most intuitive way to think about this. So now I'm back. We're going to jump to definition on theme data. We'll come down here. We'll jump to definition on this crazy class. And we'll come down here and we'll jump to definition on brightness. And if we go ahead and open up the jump list, you can see we've got quite a few entries here, and we can go through and kind of preview them. But what I usually do is I just do Control O to go back to there, Control O to go back to there, Control O to go back to there, and I can also do Control I to go forward. And this actually is a really nice way to traverse the tree in the AST in a project. So now the next question is, what about this save to jump list? So I don't use this very often. I try to use it like bookmarks kind of, but it doesn't work because they get cleared out depending on how you're jumping around. So I wouldn't really think of it as a bookmark, but I'll give you an example. So if let's say you're in this part of the project, and you want to, scroll down, you're scrolling down, you're like, okay, this part is important to me. I can do Control S to save that section to jump list, right? Then I can scroll down some more, and I can come in here and I can jump in here, right? So now if I go back, then we're gonna go back to there, back to that part that I saved in the jump list, and then back to wherever I was previous to that. So that's basically the jump list in a nutshell. In short, if you're using LSP features to drill down through, like go to definition, use Control O to get back. That's probably the most important thing. Go to definition and Control O back. And then if you want to go back in, you Control I to go back in. You can always check the jump list with space J. So I hope this is helpful, and enjoy.